What's up guys, you're watching another video. Before we get into the video, I want to let you guys know that the merch is now available on the website. These hoodies and these t-shirts are on the website right now. I'm super freaking excited. We haven't done a merch shop in a long time. You can get the merch at shopfindingnick.com. It's the first link in the description. I'm super hyped how these came out. They're super clean. They have all of my cars on it. The FN Garage, the Finding Nick Garage, 36, E46, E92, GTR, all my cars when they were red at one point. They are super limited. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell out. So it's the first link down below, shopfindingnick.com. What's up guys, they watching another video. Today I want to get a couple things done on the 350Z. We actually ordered a new shift boot finally. I bought the thing off like eBay, so pretty cheap quality, but it's a little bride black shift boot. It should look a lot better than the ugly red one that's in the car right now. I'll show you guys right now. I'm excited to throw this on because I know the black's gonna look a lot better. We also got an Amazon package. If you guys remember, the 350Z seat brackets on the passenger side sit way too high. So I went on Amazon and I found these like low mounted seat brackets. Hopefully they work. I hope they work because I freaking ordered those. And if they don't work, I'm gonna be super sad. By the way, I mentioned it in my last video, but if anybody wants these stock 350Z seats, I am trying to sell them. Pretty good condition, I'm not gonna lie. Also, if you guys did not watch the last video, we actually got new wheels for the 350Z. These right here. Shout out to Conte once again. I cannot wait to mount these wheels. They're so freaking clean. They're actually the same style that we have on the E46. But since we're gonna mount those, I'm probably gonna end up selling these. I know a lot of people DM'd me. A lot of people. I've gotten like over, I don't even know how many messages on Instagram. I actually have been debating on just keeping them for drift spares, but if someone has a good offer, I'll let them go. All the wheels look fine. The only thing is this wheel. This wheel has a slight little bend, if you guys see that. Honestly, nothing too bad. It's not letting air out or anything. It's just bent on the little tiny lip. Yeah, that little bend. Other than that, the wheels are perfect. Anyways, first and foremost, let's try to do this like shift boot. See if we're able to figure that out. So I guess it's super easy. Supposedly just pull this up and it should come out. Oh, there you go. Actually, first I should probably take this off. Take the shift knob off. This should come up. Look how nasty this is, guys. Like, that's the red it used to be, and now it's all faded. Like that. I actually want to eventually paint all this stuff too. All this. I've seen like YouTube videos where they take all this apart and paint it all. Next is to unplug these little things. There you go. So just two plugs right there. Next, it just looks like a couple of little Phillips screwdrivers. One's already missing. All right, so the only issue I think we're gonna have is this one has, as you guys saw, there's like holes pre-drilled into the shift boot. And this one doesn't have any holes in it. So I don't know what we're supposed to do. We got the new shift boot on. That was kind of a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie, because it had no holes, so I had to make my own holes. You guys can see this one already has holes in it, like drilled in, and we're done, guys. That wasn't too bad. Looks way better. Like I said, we're just gonna paint this because now this is bugging me. So we're probably gonna have to take this all apart again another day, but for now, at least the shift boot is taken care of. Oh, that's clipped in. Oh yeah, that looks way better, bro. I'm glad we did that. I kind of want to get this part carbon fiber. I think that would look pretty nice. Or just paint this black as well as this. This interior is actually looking so freaking clean, bro. Look at that. Yeah, I love it, bro. This thing looks mint inside. I just want to change out the headliner, guys. I hate the old beige headliner. I hate it so much. So we're gonna get that all suede, all black. But for now, let's try to get the seat out, get the seat bracket in. As you guys can see, it's not even bolted in. We haven't even bolted in since that one day. The way the floor is, it's not flat. There's a hole right there. There's also a hole right there, but it sits on top of this like subframe. So the bracket has to have like one long arm, an even longer arm, and then those arms are flat. You see, so this bracket's all different. Like every single corner is different. Now the only thing that's bad about this is look how much extra room is down here for no reason, because these legs have to be taller. So this is the extra headroom that we can have if this bracket was slammed to the floor. Instead of going up on this side, now the brackets go down on that side. So now they go down on this side. And then this side, how it was raised up about an inch or 2 inches, now this side is slammed. I'm pretty sure this is gonna work now. And it loses that like 2-inch gap. These brackets sit way lower, as you can tell. Look guys, my dad had to come to the rescue over here with these pliers.
Motherfuckers.
And it's actually turning, I think. Hopefully, it keeps going. Oh, it's moving. That shit's really stuck on there, huh, Dad? That was a pain in the ass.
Throw this fucking thing away. Embarrassing.
Filter back on, finally. Oh, shit. Yeah. That shit looks crazy. Oh, these look better, I think. Oh.
Even bigger.
Sheesh. We still got to get tires for them, but Jordan wanted to just try it since the car's in the air right now. All right, guys. It's the next day now, but we didn't get the seat in again. We ran into more issues, bro. I feel like the seat's never going to get mounted. This bracket has to move over that way more. So let's go like this so that these holes will line up to these, right? This side won't because it's hitting the seat. We carved right here because I think we're just going to cut the seat bracket a little bit, and that should clear the seat. You guys have been going through so much little headaches with this stupid seat bracket. Hopefully this works. At this point, I'm about to just rock one seat in this car. I'm gonna take the car for a little drive. I haven't even started it since we did that oil change yesterday. I really haven't even got to drive it much with the new steering wheel and the new seats or even the new shift boot. I actually got the car registered this morning too. That's also a big reason why I haven't really driven the car, because it wasn't registered yet. The last time I drove this car was probably like over a week ago, so let's do it. As you guys know, this car has like a starting problem as well, same as my freaking GTR. But this one, I tried a new battery and it's not the battery. The battery's good. I think it's the starter. But anyways, we're gonna try to push it right now. I'm gonna try to push it back, jump in the seat, and pop the clutch. Let's see if we could. It's gonna be sketch. Woo! That was sketchy. Trying to do it on my own. Literally letting it just roll back on the driveway, then I popped the clutch. Just can't wait till this car is complete and the exhaust is fixed and I can just start driving it on the daily. Because right now it's still drivable, it's just not like daily worthy. So good with the steering wheel and the new seats. Like, it's crazy how much seats a steering wheel can do. I know a lot of people hate how it sounds. Guys, once you get an exhaust for it, it's gonna sound good, I promise. You can either make it sound bad or you can kind of make it sound good with a nice exhaust setup. But you gotta figure out what setup I want to go with, because the car does have headers on it. And I heard from a lot of people that you should just keep the stock headers on, because with aftermarket headers, the car's just way too loud. But for now, we're rocking the headers. I miss driving stick shift, guys. Like, it's so fun. That's a big reason why I bought this car too, because I just missed having a stick shift car and a rear wheel drive car. Yes, I have the E46. I know a lot of you guys are gonna comment that, but as you guys know, I can't drive that car on the street. Like, it's not possible, guys, with the hood exit in California. But if you guys have seen the E46 in person, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That car is ridiculously loud. And the E46 isn't even street legal. It's not registered, not insured. It's a full track car, bro. Big reason why I bought the 350. Just want to have like a more street drift car where I can daily it, I can drive it on the street. And I know a lot of people enjoy watching 350Z content. That's another big reason I bought it. till we weld this dip, guys, so I can finally drift it. If you guys haven't watched the last video that I tried drifting this car in, it did not work, bro. Some people told me that if I put it into second gear, it might do it, but it just would not kick out. Like, I could not get it to drift, guys. I think once I weld the dip, this car will be super easy to drift. It feels like it wants to kick out. That was fun. We got a little squirrely, bro. A little 350Z power. How much horsepower do 350Zs make? I think they make like 300, don't they? I hope. I hate how the window won't go down. It just bugs me that I can't roll that window down right now. Sometimes it goes down, sometimes it doesn't. We gotta figure that out. A lot of little things we gotta figure out with this car. A lot of little things that need to be fixed. And the little tiny things, it's just annoying. It sounds good on low RPMs, high RPMs, but like right in between like 2 and 3, this is where it sounds horrible. Like, it just sounds horrible. Sounds so bad, bro. My homie said if you do second gear, it might be able to kick out, and like the limit, the LSD, whatever, won't like kick in, hopefully. Oh shit, maybe. Okay, maybe second gear is fun. Maybe that shit actually will drift. I don't know, I feel like only one wheel was moving still, but look how much smoke comes in here when you drift. It doesn't sound bad. Like, it's loud, it's obnoxious, but like I said, it doesn't sound that bad, only between those 2 RPMs. Anyways, that was fun. Such a fun car to drive, I'm not gonna lie. I love how the interior looks. It's so clean. I really wanted a clean interior 350Z, and I'm glad I found this one. Yes, it looks like it needs a lot of work. It does need a lot of little things, but for the most part, it's a very clean starting car, you know, starting project car. Now, I hope you guys are enjoying the 350Z content. I'm enjoying it. I freaking love this car. I've always wanted a 350Z, and I think it's super fun to build and build something new. I haven't built like a car in a very long time. It's fun to get like new mods and just make it your own, you know what I mean? I think that's like the funnest thing about building a car, is like you get to make it your own. Comment down below what other ideas you want me to do with the 350Z. Comment down below what color should we wrap the 350Z. It's hard to pick a color because I want it to match the red interior. Also, again, the new merch is on the website at shopfindingnick.com. It's the first link down below. New hoodies, new t-shirts. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.